Hey guys, how's it going? Solo back with the start of another hopefully great trading week. Let's take a look at some more crypto stocks. Some big news coming up in the crypto space this week, specifically on Wednesday, April 14th. But looking at the market today, not a good day in the stock market today. A lot of red across the board. Everything was down today. The Dow, the NASDAQ, SPY, the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, you name it. Pretty much everything was in the red. Looks like we did have a little bit of a rally towards the end of the day. Some green here on the board. In fact, I believe the SPY just squeaked out a green day here, but big tech not having a great day, was flat or in the red. Tesla up about 3.7%. I believe over the weekend, Elon had tweeted going to the moon, and people just assumed probably he meant Tesla stock, but pretty much whenever Elon tweets, you know things are going to be moving, and you wonder if Tesla was big green because of his tweet over the weekend. The semis, overall red, and overall red by a lot. Look at this, AMD down over 5%, Intel over 4%, Qualcomm down 2%. NVIDIA, though, up almost 6% on the day, and that's because news came out that looks like they're thinking about, or they're planning, I should say, on making their own CPUs in the server space. So looking to squeeze Intel out of their game. I gotta say, puts on Intel right now because Intel is not looking so good. But NVIDIA, though, good news for NVIDIA. Also, Microsoft had an artificial intelligence company acquisition today. So Microsoft had a decent day, ended up flat, but you can see for most of the day was in the green because of this acquisition. Well, let's take a look at Riot Blockchain today, going over here on Robinhood. So all the crypto stocks, Mara, Riot, we're having good days today. Bitcoin went back over $60,000 a coin. So overall, great day for Bitcoin and the crypto craze. It continues on. Look at this, Riot up almost 4% on the day. Never, even for a split second, went red on the day. Even after hours, we're slowly creeping up. They're up another 1.55% in after hours trading. On the week, though, unfortunately, you're still red on Riot, down 6.7%. Maybe a buy the dip opportunity if you are bullish on crypto. Of course, nothing I say is ever financial advice. I don't have any position right now on Riot, or in fact on any of the crypto stocks right now. My only positions are shares and covered calls on Corsair, and my covered calls expire this Friday. So looking on the month, you're also down 20% on the month on Riot. On the past 3 months, though, you're still well in the green, up almost 125%. The crypto stocks have been juicy when the whole market has lost a lot of its premium because the VIX has been very low. In fact, it's been low as it was pretty much a year ago, just about. But looking at the options premium on Riot, for example, if you wanted to sell some puts for this Friday, you would get $302 at the money per contract, divided by putting up $5,200 in capital. So your return on risk is going to be over 5.8%, which is very good. And this is accounting for only 4 more days of trading because this is the end of the market on Monday already. So let's take a look at a news article that I saw. So here's the one from CoinDesk titled "The Market Wrap: Bitcoin Near 60K." And this is the big news that's happening on Wednesday, that Coinbase is going to be listed on the stock exchanges. So taking a look at this, like I said, Bitcoin trading around $60,122.82 as of 4 p.m. Eastern time when the market closed, climbing about 0.7% over the past day. Now, the past range for the 24 hours has been between 59.4K and as high as 61.2K. But as I'm making this video, take a look. We are still up over $60,000, $60,220 to be exact. Actually, when I said that, moving all the time. On the week, Bitcoin is now up on the week, up 1.7%. Nice little upward trend here as of April 7th. Ethereum, similar picture, is actually down as I'm making this video, though, 0.7%. But on the week, you're up even more, up 2% on the week. And take a look at this, the same upward trend we just saw in Bitcoin. But going back to this article here, it says Bitcoin surged this morning, or I should say early today, to a 4-week high of $61,219.72. And analysts said the largest cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, might have gotten a boost from the hoopla surrounding the United States exchange giant Coinbase's coming direct stock listing on Wednesday. They're calling this the Coinbase effect, and that's when a digital token gets a price pump after getting listed on the cryptocurrency exchange, but Bitcoin might get the benefit of a different type of Coinbase effect, and that's if newbie investors, which are spurred by mainstream press coverage of the stock listing, decide to put money into cryptocurrencies. Now, someone else that's going to benefit from this is rapper Nas. So apparently, Nas's Queensbridge venture partners invested in 2013. A source familiar with the matter confirmed that Queensbridge is still on the Coinbase cap table. So how much money is he going to amend? Looks like his investment firm got into Coinbase's Series B round back in 2013 when it raised $25 million. Around that time, Coinbase was valued at about $143 million, according to PitchBook. I've seen valuations right now in the billions of dollars right now. Looks like at that price that Coinbase shares last traded on private secondary markets was $350 per share. His firm would have a pot somewhere between $34.76 million and $173.8 million. Wow. That is a lot of money, and what looks like is going to pay off for his investment firm here. Let's end the video like we always do, looking at the TradingView chart, do some updated technical analysis. Then we'll end the video looking at the option flow data to see what the big money investors were doing. So right off the bat, the first thing I noticed is the volume today was much higher than it has been for about the past 2 trading weeks. So a lot of volume today. Again, maybe because of the craze and the hype that Coinbase is going to go public on Wednesday. But right now, we are still trading below the orange line here, which is the 21-day moving average, but above the pink line, which is the 50-day moving average. The last area of support that I have is around $48.80, so somewhere just shy, around $49 or so. I also have resistance at around $53 and some change, which is actually right where the 21-day moving average is right now. We're going to have to wait and see what Riot Blockchain wants to do. I still think we are on the up and up. I mean, if we take a look at the chart for Marathon Digital, we are still in this parallel channel here, always just on the up and up with stocks Mara and Riot. Riot had a better day today, up 3.8%, whereas Mara was up only 2.2%, but they're both trading around the similar price point. Riot closed at $51.53, Mara at $50.07, but both of them look like they are at least on the up and up in the overall trend. How long is that going to last? Who knows? If this bubble going to pop, who knows? We'll just have to wait and see. But I think I like where the TA where it is now. I don't think I want to add any TA. Maybe there's another area of trend right around here, around $56 and some change. Looks like we topped out there. If I zoom in here, we topped out there intraday today. Some candles topped out. Here's a wick that topped out early in April. And going back, some candles also topped out back in late February and early March. That might be an area of resistance right now. Looks like we couldn't break past above it today. So here's Sweepcast. Not a lot of action on Riot Blockchain today. 18 calls came in, 2 puts, but the overall sentiment, about 70.6%, is bearish. The biggest option value was for $812,000. Actually, a leap option expires in January of next year for a $40 strike, and it was a call option. So in the money, right, because the strike is less than what the stock is currently trading for, and it was also bought at the bid. That's why the program thinks it's a little bit bearish. In fact, a lot of the top money orders were all calls, but they're all bearish. Looks like bought at the bid. However, take a look at this one. 115 strike call option for June of this year for $314,000. Someone is betting pretty big that Riot is going to go to the moon in the next few months. We'll have to see if that pans out. As always, make sure you join the Discord server if you're not in there already. I just started a Twitch channel, so if you're into Twitch, check that out. I haven't started streaming yet. I'm still setting it up, but go ahead and give me a follow. Make sure you add me on Twitter, StockTwits, Instagram, and Reddit. Hope you're having a green week, and as always, I'll see you on the moon.